Okay, let's look at if seed oils are dangerous. Seed oils are industrial, and here is a list of them here. And these are the oils that you'll find in all of the processed food that we eat today. We have to be really cautious about this. Most of them, if not all of them, contain linoleic acid, which is branded as omega-6. In small quantities, it is good for the body, but in large quantities, it can lead to all of these conditions here. So in industrial countries, 20% of the calories that we eat comes from linoleic rich oils. And these are not good for your health. So the question might be, well, what did we do before industrial oils were around? Well, we used to stick with butter, animal fats, and natural oils that we could get access to as human beings. Well, I can't eliminate them from my diet, so the obvious answer is reduce as much of them as possible. Make a conscious effort to understand where this is coming from and reduce it in your diet. Replace with natural oils and even use limited quantities of those, and make sure that you are not eating anything processed. Processed food is very, very dangerous for you.